Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Tesla. The report was first published on our website Thursday, July 14, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Tesla? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 13, 2022, our system ranks the Tesla stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 1.924. In this period the stock has had a gain of 0.54%. This is an average return of 0.27% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Tesla, our last headline reads, Tesla stock price ended on $714.94 on Thursday after gaining 0.54%. The Tesla stock price gained 0.54% on the last trading day, Thursday, July 14, 2022, rising from $711.12 to $714.94. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.06% from a day low at $688 to a day high of $715.96. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.3% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -6 million shares and in total, 26 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $18.65 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1,243.49, and the lowest price was $620.57. Right now the price is 42.51%, or $528.55, below 52-week high at $1,243.49, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $756.33 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -26.77% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -51.70% and -22.53%. The 12-month trend indicates a 1.27% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -10.72% and 75.73%. This equals a price between $638.28 and $1,256.36 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Tesla stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Tesla stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Tesla. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Tesla stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $715.63. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $704.16. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 24, 2022, and so far it has risen 13.81%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 35 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 56 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 52 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $711.11, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $27.96 between high and low, or 4.06%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.13%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Tesla. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Tesla currently has a price-earning ratio of 102.04. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Next upcoming earnings report for Q2 2022 is expected to be released July 25, 2022. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Tesla meets first resistance at $728. If you do not hold Tesla shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Tesla finds first level of support at $711.11, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Tesla is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 27, 2022, Baglino Andrew D. made an inside sell of 3,500 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On June 27, 2022, Baglino Andrew D. made an inside sell of 3,500 of common stock. On June 27, 2022, Baglino Andrew D. made an inside buy of 3,500 of common stock. On June 10, 2022, Taneja Vaibhav made an inside sell of 2,500 of incentive stock option, right to buy. On June 10, 2022, Taneja Vaibhav made an inside buy of 2,500 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -66.559. In total, the insiders bought 74,268 and sold 402,235 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $690.20, minus 3.46%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 34 days ago. Is Tesla stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 15th, we expect Tesla to open down -$8.64 and start trading at $706.30. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.